Diary.
Don't run by me. Go run. Really? Count to 3 again.
Why don't we go?
Go. Look here and say that. Is it thunderstorm?
No, it's raining.
It's raining. Turn around and get in the water and try to catch it with your mouth like this. You missed. No way, you're wet. No way, I'm filming you. You're soaked.
That's alright. Last time. One more time. Race the draw. Get it.
Last little bit.
Alright. All done. Peace,
Yeah.
I gave Fina a bite.
Why don't you let her get a bite off your spoon?
Here, Fina. Here, Fina.
Why are you all wet?
Now my daddy got me wet.
He got you wet?
Yeah.
You had nothing to do with it?
I could be Fina.
Okay.
Here, Fina. Yes. Oh, boy.
She's a girl.
Oh,
She's sitting.
Here, Fina.
Why don't you just give her your cup? Let her have a drink of it.
Oh, I want to feed her. Here you go, Fina.
Vernon, you're on camera.
Here you go, Fina.
Vernon, where are you at? Vernon. Hi, Vernon. Texting away.
Here you go, Fina.
I'm not. Do you want to do an interview?
No.
Well, I feeding Fina.
Come here.
No.
You want to do an interview?
Mm-mm.
You have a nice mustache. Can I see it?
No.
Show me how fast you can run. On your mark. Get set. Go. Yeah.
Should go even deeper.
Got you airplane. Mama, let me fly like.
There's Lena.
Don't go to the bus
No, she just kicked the ball. Yeah. Get her in.
Got it, Fernie. Got that, Fina. Got it. I got it, Mama.
Oh, did you get her?
I got it. Let me fly like helicopter, Mama.
Sure.
I'm like, fuck it.
Okay. Vernon, way to ruin a vlog.
Ah!
Come here. Come here.
No.
I have to ask you one question. Really gross? Really? What are you doing, Vern? Hi, Athena. Oh, thanks. Vernon, what are you eating? Vernon, what are you eating? Come here and say minivan.
Minivan.
What is it?
Minivan.
Look here and say it.
Minivan.
A minivan. Oh, that's funny. All right, come here and say bye.
Bye.
Say I'm gonna go run in the yard
I go in the yard.
and kick a ball
Get ball.
and catch a dog.
Get dog.
Bye.
Bye.
Shane is playing ball with the dogs.
Sydney. Good boy. Bring it here.
Get it. Get it.
Get him sticky.
Okay. Now, puppy owner, throw it far and your puppy will go catch it.
You can ball. Okay, you go catch it. Ready? Are you ready? Go get it.
He's a slow puppy. He's still learning fetch. Good puppy.
Sydney. Sydney.
Oh my gosh, Shane. Did you get your ball, puppy? Good boy. Bring it back to your owner.
Hey, Poost. Poost. Good boy.
Come to the conclusion that our son needs human friends. Because for the first 3 years of his life, all he's known is his dogs. Because he's still being a puppy. What does the puppy say?
Thank you.
What else does a puppy do?
That's all dirty.
It's in his mouth. Bye, puppy.
Bye bye.
No.
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, okay.